Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I have a cute little tote to share with you. It is the Come Sail Away tote. So this is the little tote. This is super easy to make, but I love this designer series paper in this suite. It's the Come Sail Away suite, and I'm going to show it to you really quickly in the catalog. So this is the suite right here. It has so many beautiful things to coordinate with it. It's on page 144 and 145 of the annual catalog. But they have some beautiful cards here and some a little 3D project using our little pizza boxes right here. But this is the suite that I'm using today. I absolutely love the designer series paper and the stamp set. So I thought I'd make this cute little summertime tote. And this would even work for a masculine project for, you know, a dad's birthday, or, you know, just a thinking of you type little thing. Just fill it with like I could see it filled with like some chocolate pretzels or some little candies, favorite candies of whoever you're giving it to. But anyway, this is what I'm sharing today. So the suite is this Sailing Home stamp set, which I absolutely love. And then the framelits are the smooth sailing framelits. But this is a bundle, so you can get 10% off if you get the bundle. So this is what we're using today, and I'm going to take out the dies here, and then we're gonna take out, I'm using the small ship here, and these are great cling stamps, by the way. And then I'm using the little anchor, and we're using this that says set sail in the direction of your dreams. So I'm going to put that one on here, and I think that is it as far as the stamps go, and we'll just leave the dies out so that we can cut those out after we stamp them. Alright, so for this project, you can actually, out of one of the 12 by 12 designer series paper, you can make 3 of these. So this piece is 4 by 10.5, and then you're going to need another piece of Night of Navy. So this is for the matting, and this is 3 by 2.5, and then the piece for the sentiment, which is 1 3/4 by 2. And then you're going to need some scrap Whisper White and some scrap Night of Navy. Alright, so the designer series paper I'm going to show you really quickly is this right here. It's got so many good patterns on it. You can use any of them for this. This would be really cute too for that. That would be really masculine. And also this one too. But we are using this striped one today. So you see I have another piece for one more, and I've already made the one that I have there, and then I have another one, this one right here. Alright, so we're going to score this. And when you're scoring designer series paper, you do not need to really score hard. I'm going to score it on this side. It's a lot thinner than our cardstock. So on the 10.5 inch side, we are going to score it at 1/2, at 4.5. I know you can't see it, 5.5, and 9.5. And then we're going to turn it, and you're going to just score it at 1. That's it. The bag is super, super easy to make. Alright, so to cut this 1/2 inch here is going to be our glue tab. So we're going to cut that little one off there. I'm going to cut in here a little bit. And then we're going to cut up each of the bottom ones. I love these little totes though. They're super cute. And then this one. I just thought this was so like summertime. Alright, Alright, so that is everything that we're doing for this. I'm going to sharpen these score marks really quick. And we are going to use some tear and tape for this little glue tab right here. You can use wet glue or some whatever strong adhesive that you have. Tear and tape is perfect for little bags and boxes. I'm going to go ahead and clip this since I just stuck it to the paper there and it grabbed some of it. Alright, so now let's just go ahead and remove the backing here. You can see it grabbed that little piece of paper. And then we're just going to line these up here. Tuck in your, and it doesn't matter which side you put down this time. Whatever side you put back will be your front. Alright, I'm just going to use some tear and tape, but I'm going to just use the fast fuse here. And I need to make sure that is. The one thing about designer series paper and fast fuse, it grabs very quickly. But we no longer carry that fast fuse. I'm just on my last bit of it, but I'm going to use it all because I paid for it. And then we're going to just go ahead and we're going to adhere first. This is going to be my front, so we're going to adhere first the piece of Night of Navy. I'm just going to adhere that with the snail, and then we're going to punch our holes, because you want to punch the holes and just center this. It does make the box a little bit stronger too with that cardstock on there. So we're going to just punch some holes here. I'm just trying to make them as even as possible. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my pencil, I'm going to hold that down. I'm just going to mark the inside right here where I punch the next ones so that they're even. Okay, so we have all our holes and everything ready to go. So I am using the denim 3/8 inch ribbon, and I'm going to cut about 9 inches. I'm going to cut 2 of them, one for each side. And then what I'm doing here is I'm just using some regular Scotch tape. I'm going to put these through here, and then I'm just going to put a little bit of tape to hold these down. I found this is the easiest way, and it makes them pretty sturdy. So I'm just going to tape those ends down, and then I'm going to bring this one over and bring that through, and then we're going to do the same to this one. It's a little tricky getting your fingers in there, but nothing to worry about. Alright, then we need another one. We're going to do the same thing on this side. And one more. This is just the easiest way, and they're pretty sturdy on there like that. Alright, so let's go ahead and get stamping, and then we'll be ready to put everything together. So I'm using Night of Navy. on all of these images. We're going to stamp the sentiment in the middle of this one. I love the writing too on here. It is super pretty. So that's going to go on the front. And then we're going to do a sailboat. And that's the smaller sailboat. And then we're going to do the anchor. My Night of Navy is very juicy. I could see if I touch that, it's going to smear. So I need to be very careful when I'm doing it. And this is one of our older ones too, but it is still really juicy. Alright, so I'm going to need the small boat, and I'm going to cut one of these little wheels out of the Night of Navy, and then the anchor. So let's bring the big shot up here. We're going to run these all through all together. And I may need a little bit of sticky note to hold these down because I'm doing them all at the same time. Sometimes they jump around. So let's put that one there. This is going here. This one's staying put. So how about that? Let's see if this one will do the same thing. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to need any. How about that? So let's just run these through. And we'll get our little wheel out here. There's our little wheel. And the detail in this stamp set is amazing. This boat is, oh my goodness, and the anchor, there's so much detail in here. Okay, so let's get it all put together. Now on this little anchor, I am going to use my hole punch, and I'm going to punch through this. It has a little hole, but I'm going to punch a little bit bigger because I want to put some of this baker's twine on it. So this is Night of Navy, and I think it's Sahara Sand. So I'm going to just cut a little piece, and we're going to just put this through, and I'm just putting it through just like that, and I'm just going to cut it short. So I just want a little bit of interest to that. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this on. Put that in the center. And then we are going to go ahead, I'm going to use some wet glue for this. Got to get that little piece in the middle out for a little wheel. And we're going to set that one up here. And then I'm going to use some of our dimensionals for popping up the other pieces. So I'm going to use 2 on the boat. Put that one down here, and then this one I'll need one big one I'm going to put up here, and then I'm going to actually use one of our small ones, our mini ones down here. That area is not quite big enough, and then we're going to just set that right here on the side, and there you have it. It's all done. Isn't that cute? I really love this one, and it's super, super easy to do, and the bag is Really, really cute. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye-bye.